Okay, good day. I am from Globalize Agency here in Malaysia and I am the Philippine recruiter. I receive your buy data from Avantage Agency in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes.
Can you speak English or can you understand English?
Yes, I can understand English.
Are you a 100% willing to come here in Malaysia without any hesitation?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
Do you have any friends or any family members working here?
No.
Our interview, this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel. But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Do you agree?
Yes.
Okay, are you healthy or do you have any health issues?
I'm a healthy.
Are you sure that you are healthy?
Yes.
Okay, so I already mentioned that our interview this is recorded and it will be uploaded in our YouTube channel, okay? But at the same time, your profile will be uploaded in our website. Why do you wanted to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, willing to work in
Why you want
Malaysia.
to come here in Malaysia? Why you didn't choose go Singapore or Hong Kong?
Uh, I'm going to Malaysia because as a safe country.
Malaysia is a safe country. Okay, so what
Yes.
is your name?
Maria Linavelo.
Do you have passport?
Yes.
How
I
old are
have
you?
40 years old.
Are you single or married?
Married.
When is your birthday?
June 6, 1984.
It's not June 29, it's June 6. Is it?
Ay, June 29,
How come you forgot your birthday?
1984.
So it's not June 6.
Yes.
June 29 to 1984. Okay, what is your height and your weight?
5'1",
Your weight?
65.
65 or 55? Because in your buy data it was stated it's 55.
Ay, sorry, 55.
Are you sure it's 55?
Yes, yes, ma'am.
What is your religion?
Catholic.
What is your educational background?
High school graduate.
How many children do you have? Do you have children?
Yes, ma'am. I have other three children.
How old are those children?
Uh, uh, 15, 10, and 9.
Is your family allow you to come and work here in Malaysia?
Yes, ma'am.
What about your husband? Did he allow you?
It's okay.
It's okay. Are you sure it's okay?
Yes, ma'am.
How old is your husband and what is his occupation?
46 years old. Company driver.
Okay, how many brother and sister do you have?
I have three brother and three sister.
What is your rank in your family? Are you the eldest, the second, the third?
Eldest.
You are the eldest. What about your parents? How old is your parents and what is their occupation?
My parents is my mother housewife. My father is farmers.
How old?
She's 65 years old and for for 59 years old.
Okay, so do you have any working experience in the Philippines as a housemaid?
Yes, ma'am.
In which place in the Philippines?
Here in Las Piñas.
How many years you worked there?
3 years.
What year did you started and what year did you finish working to your previous employer?
2004 and 2006.
So 2 years only.
Yes, ma'am.
3 years or 2 years?
2004 and 2007.
2004 to 2007, you worked for 3 years.
Ma'am.
Okay, can you share it with me? What are your duties there to your previous employment in Las Piñas?
Um, I have a working experience as housemaid I serve one couple and two children.
Okay, focus in the camera, ate. How old are those children that you take care?
6 years old.
How many children?
2,
6 and
6 and 8.
okay, you do house chores, cooking, laundry, and ironing at the same time?
Yes,
Are you sure?
I'm sure. Yes, ma'am.
After 2007, you still got working experience or don't have already?
I have a working experience.
In which place?
Same place.
In Las Piñas also.
Yes,
How many years you work there?
2 years.
What year did you started and what year did you finish?
2018,
Okay, and then?
2020.
Okay, what is your job there? What are your duties to your previous employer in Las Piñas for 2 years?
Cleaning. Cleaning, washing their clothes, ironing, and marketing, cooking, gardening,
Marketing, gardening. You take care children or no?
and take care in these children.
Taking children. You have any working experience other countries, is it?
No, ma'am.
It was stated in your biodata that you got a overseas working experience in which place? In Saudi.
I know.
No.
Here in this, ma'am.
Oh, okay. So you don't have any working experience. This is your first time working abroad.
Yes.
Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am.
So this is your first time working abroad. Are you sure?
Yes, ma'am. I'm
Okay,
sure.
you know that being a domestic helper is very tough, as I have mentioned, okay? Are you ready
Yes.
for any task that the employer will be given to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you sure that you are ready?
Yes, ma'am. I'm ready.
You need to be flexible. You need to be multitasking. Are you okay to take your children or baby while doing house chores at the same time?
Yes po.
Can you take care elderly people?
Yes.
Can you cook?
Yes, ma'am.
So you okay to take care elderly people? Okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you caregiving for bedridden patient and disabled person?
No, ma'am.
Yes or no?
No.
Okay. Are you okay to take care pets?
Yes.
Are you afraid of any dogs, pets, or cats, or what kind of pets?
No, ma'am.
Okay, as I have mentioned, you will going to sign a 2 years contract. Any uncertain situations that might happen to your family back in the Philippines, please remind yourself that you cannot easily go back home. Breaching of contract, you know that there will be a consequences, which is you need to pay your employer at the same time with the agency, as nobody forced you to come and work here in Malaysia. You're the one who decided to come and work here because you wanted to sustain your family's needs and due to the poverty in the Philippines. Am I right?
Yes.
Usage of mobile handphone, you are not allowed to use your phone during working time. Of course, you cannot hold your phone 24/7 here in Malaysia. In Philippines, you can hold it for 24/7, but not here in Malaysia, okay? You can hold it during nighttime only after you done your job for the whole day and you will render your phone on the next morning before you start your work. On your rest day, you are entitled to have a rest once a week, but you are not allowed to go out, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you okay with their terms and conditions?
Yes po.
Are you sure that you are okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, because in our initial interview, we already informed you about all these things and we don't want later that you will going to demand us once you come to work here in Malaysia. Because in the first place, you already agree about it. Always remind yourself that this is not the Philippines. In Philippines, you can do whatever we want, whatever you want, but here, no. We need to follow the rules and regulations of the employer. You need to respect the employer. Any problem, any concern, you inform your employer because you will be the one working inside their premises for 2 years.
Yes.
How are you gonna fight your homesickness, knowing that this is your first time working abroad and you will working quite far away from your family?
I'm focused sa the job.
You will focus on your job.
Yes.
Okay, if anything, just ask permissions inside the employer's house, yeah? Okay, I think that's all for now. Thank you for your time. It was my pleasure meeting you. But please stay connected through WhatsApp because Globalize agents will going to contact you to conduct an interview together with the employer. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.